Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Blockstack coin. As over a month ago I shared a video with you guys, and this was a video that I shared on 24th of July, and I told you that the Blockstack can break out from the resistance of the channel very soon, and it can take a very powerful bullish move very soon, as there is a mainnet launch expected on 28th of September. If you visit their roadmap on their side, then you can find this information there. And let me to give you some recap for the people who are not following my videos on the STX coin. This was my previous article that I have shared with you. And on the daily chart, we have seen already in my previous video as well that the price action at that time was moving in this parallel channel. And I have also placed this moon phases indicator, and we have seen that the new full moon was appeared at very high altitude from this resistance of the channel. That was giving very clear indication that now the next move can be up to this level and the price action can break out this resistance very soon. And I've also placed this volume profile indicator that was also showing that there is very weak interest of the trader, as you can see below this level, and there was very difficult for the price line to move up to this support of this channel. And I've also placed this directional movement indicator that was also giving the bullish signals as well. And I've also shared the previous information, the TFuel information of my previous chart that I've already shared on the YouTube and on the different platforms. And we have already seen that the TFuel, before this very big move of 1200%, the TFuel stopped hitting this support of this channel, as it was also moving in this down channel before this very big 1200% move. And in last days, before taking this big move, the TFuel just stopped hitting at this support of the channel, and it was moving at the resistance. Same as like this move, the Blockstack was also moving with the resistance of the channel, and it was not hitting or reaching at the support. Now I've just shared this information with you guys, this analysis or chart with you guys on 24th of July. I'm just going to play this chart as I predicted. Now finally the price action has broken out this resistance of the channel with a very powerful bullish divergence. So it has surged from this low to this high more than 170%, and after my call of 24th of July, it has surged more than 60% so far. Okay, I was expecting that the price action will retest this previous resistance of the channel after breaking out, as this was really very strong resistance that the price action has just broken out. But the price action retraced back but moved up from the distance from this resistance of the channel. But if we take more closer look on the chart, then after 18th of May, we can see, let me take you to the live chart. Then we can see that after 18th of May, the price action started its move within this up channel. Within this parallel channel, the price action formed another up channel. And when the price action retraced back, in fact, it retested the previous resistance of the channel, that was this new up channel, and moved up. At this time, you can see that the price action is again likely to move down. But if we take more closer look on the chart, on this daily chart, then the price action has also formed, or it is likely to form, another up channel. And this is the newest current channel that the price action is moving within this pattern at this time. So if the price action will be moved up to this level, up to the support of this channel, or we will have some more touches at the support of this trend line, then this up channel will be confirmed. Otherwise, if the price action will form another higher low, for example, here the price action has formed a higher low after these touches, and now the price action will be moved up from here, that will be another higher low, then it will be a rising wedge pattern rather than an up channel. That will be bit critical. because a rising wedge pattern is considered as a bearish reversal pattern among the traders community. So I'm just waiting for the price line to move more down and give us some more touches at this support. So after that, it will be confirmed that it will be moving within this up channel. And if we want the different simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200, then the price action has broken out all these simple moving averages, and now it is having very good support of these all simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200. And there are now two possibilities: that the price action will continue its bullish move and it will use the 25 simple moving average as a support, like it has been using in the previous past history. For example, here we can see that the price action broke out the 25 simple moving average. Here the price action used the 25 simple moving average as support, and here the price action broke down this 25 simple moving average for a while and used the 50 and 100 and 200 simple moving averages as support and moved up. And here the price action did the same thing again, and now it is moved up again. And here the price action went very close to this 25 simple moving average and moved up. Now there is another possibility that the price action will move down to use this 25 simple moving average as a support, or it will continue its move above this EMA, the exponential moving averages 10 and 21, and use them as support and continue to move more up. For example, if the price action will still moving up using these supports, these exponential moving averages, or the 25 simple moving average or 50 simple moving averages as support, and it will confirm an up channel, then if we place this pitchfork like this is a really very useful tool to predict whether the price action will for example, if the price action will continue its move within any channel that is up or down channel, then you can predict very easily where the price action can move in the long term. So in order to predict where the price action can move on 28th of September, we can use this pitchfork, and it will tell us that, for example, if the price action will continue its move within this channel, then on 28th of September where the price action will be. Now, and this is a conservative target I'm just sharing with you guys. I'm expecting that the price action will also break out this resistance as well, and it will turn more bullish, and maybe we will see more than 1200% bullish rally that we have already seen in the TFuel as well. The TFuel also did the same things as the STX has done so far. Now, if we watch this channel will be continued in this way, then on 28th of September, this will be the date when we have the mainnet release. The price action will be almost at 36 or 3700 satoshis. So at this time the price action is at 2286 satoshis. So this move can be up to 60 or 70%. That is really very conservative thinking I'm just sharing with you. I'm expecting more powerful bull run by the price action of STX, because it can do the same as the TFuel has done in the past before the mainnet launch, and that was more than 1200% bullish rally. So we can expect such move, or maybe more than that, by the STX as well. So this was update so far. I think you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.